Hi guys, hey, Frank Aldridge from the Integral Group here. Hey look, we've got a project management training workshop coming up, and guess what, you're coming on it. So, well, I assume that because you're looking at this video, right? But hey, so we've got you for a couple of days. It's going to be pretty hands-on, it's going to be pretty pragmatic. My objective is to make it fun for you, but it's also to send you away with some pragmatic, simple tools that you can use straight away. So we've got a whole bunch of them. And there's a whole lot of techniques and things that I've developed just over 20 years of doing this stuff. So your part is to prepare. So the biggest thing I want you to do before you come, if you can, is to send us the pre-workshop questionnaire. Because what we use that for is we're going to pick out about 3 or 4 projects, and I'll actually frame those up and plan those up with you, or, so we're actually working on some real stuff. But it also just gives you a chance to think about things before you come, and we get to see what your experience and that sort of thing is. So looking forward to meeting you. Do that pre-workshop questionnaire if you can, and we'll see you very soon.